What this is a law graph. And what we have is God at the top. This is the way our nation was founded. We have God at the top, and this works off the principle that you have the creator and the created. Right. Whatever's created cannot violate its creator. And you got God, God has God's laws. God created man, and He allows man to have man's laws as long as they don't violate God's laws. I mean, that's the way it is. And in this country, we decided to have organized man's laws and state constitutions. We got state citizens. They got together and created the federal government. And we have the federal constitution here. We have Articles 1 through 7 and the Bill of Rights here. And what these squares represent are lawfully delegated powers. They're actually operating in accordance with what they're supposed to do. What we have right there, and what those circles are an unconstitutional act. And based off of that unconstitutional act, and what I'm here to tell you is that's the Reconstruction. And that's the 14th Amendment. And based off of that, they can pass all sorts of things that are unconstitutional, start violating what's above them, starts violating the state, start violating God's laws. And they can do also, and it grows like a cancer. And this is what we've got in this country today. Let's say this is, Second Amendment, Brady Bill stuff. We got hundreds of millions of dollars and hundreds of thousands of man-hours trying to fight that one circle. We got people trying to fight immigration, illegal immigration out here. We got people trying to fight gay marriage over here. Well, if we can hack at the root, we can fix this problem. Because what we really have is this. This is the way our nation looks today. We have the cancer that's been growing, and it's growing bigger and bigger and bigger. It's on top. The federal government is over the state governments. And God, they just want to wipe Him off the map. Okay? So we have flipped this country over. We're not operating the way it was founded by our founding fathers. The Reconstruction Acts being our nemesis, being the root of the problem. You've heard the saying, you have thousands hacking at the branches. Well, what we need to be doing is hacking at the root. What we want to do is write our government back. And if we can get rid of that one little spot right there, if we can get rid of that, look at what happens to our government. Isn't that a simpler, smaller federal government? And all we got to do is hack that one root off.